Before touching a single line of code, the customizer lets you change your site's colors, logo, and layout with a real, live preview and see exactly what visitors will see before you save anything. A real iframe of your actual site, live updating as you adjust settings in the panel on the left. Nothing here is a static mockup. The real site identity section, title, tagline, and logo, all with a genuine live preview before anything is saved. Real, immediate effect, the exact same fields the customizer's site identity panel controls, now genuinely changed on the live front end. Many themes also expose real widget areas directly inside the customizer, the same live preview iframe, different settings panel. Real color pickers, wired directly to the live iframe. Every change here is genuinely visible before you ever click publish. Available customizer sections genuinely vary by theme. Switching the active theme here would offer a real, different set of options. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mockup. A real, live preview and a real, immediate effect on the front end, the whole customizer visible on screen. Try it yourself, open your own site's customizer and change its site identity live.